Now we have our event database that is connected to the Notion calendar sync. We would like to connect events with our CRM so that we can see all the contacts involved in a specific calendar event. So in order to proceed that, we need to create a new property that is called contact, and that is in the format of relation. We select afterward that it's connected with our CRM. It can be any other database. You just have to select the one that have your contact info. When you create a relation, we need to go to the CRM, to that database that have, like, for example, a name of your contact and email. And here we need to make sure that we have an email property that is set, and we will need to let know that to Notion Automation that this database needs to be connected with. So we just have to create a property called Notion Automation Contacts there in a text format, and then we're gonna need to share this database with Notion Automation integration. So we select this one, invite, and voila. So we just go back to the account settings, and we go to the field mapping, and we need to map the contacts database. So first we need to refresh the Notion field to make sure that it have acknowledged the change that we made. We add the field Attendees Contact, which is a relation, and we map it to the contact, which is the property that we just created. And as soon as we map this event, we just trigger again the sync and see the magic happening. So here it's gonna automatically pull the contacts right from the attendees list and then link it to the CRM. Here, for the sake of the example, the CRM was empty, so it created a new entry with the name that is the email and the email here. But you can of course change here to say, okay, demo account, and here, I don't know, like account 2, and here automatically on the events it's gonna be linked to that specific card of your contact. And since it's a two-way synchronization, we can of course add another contact here to add it to the attendees list.